Hey guys, this is just an update on the pineapple, or actually pineapples. If you don't watch Gardening with Susie, this is what she has to look forward to. This one started, I believe it was in January. That's usually when I see them, is January, February. And you can see it's made a lot of progress. And I'm excited because I checked this one at that time too, and it was nothing. And although it's a little late, you can see I'm going to have 2 pineapples this year. Nothing else out of any of the others on the front. Okay, so backyard pineapples. This is a sucker off the plant that was on the front porch. It's doing fine. This one, it sat in water last year for a month, almost a month while I was gone, and no roots ever came from it. So as you can tell, it looks really bad, but this is a brand new sucker that's coming up from it. So all of this is not alive, and like I said, it didn't root last year when there was any water. But this is the new growth. So maybe pineapples back here next year. Just wanted to update. Have a great week. Everyone stay safe.